عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. Even after the truth has become clear to them, if indeed many of the people of the book wish that they would turn you back. And Allah Azza wa Jal also says, and that which you conceal and hide, which is in your heart, which no one else may know, no one else is aware of, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala also holds you to account for that. Then you must have a level of confidence, a level of iman, a level of pride in your religion, in your belief, in your messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, in the book that you have, the divine revelation, the Qur'an. Allah Azza wa Jal mentions elsewhere in the Qur'an that the fire of hell, its fuel will be men and stones, people, humans and stones.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم